Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to export designs from Figma. Exporting your designs correctly is essential for sharing your work with clients, developers, or using them in presentations. So let's dive in and see how it is done. Figma offers various export options to suit different needs, whether you're exporting for web, print, or development. We'll cover the basics and some advanced tips to help you export your designs like a pro. So to begin, select the object or frame you want to export. You can export individual elements, groups, or entire frames. Simply click on the object or use Shift to select multiple objects. So in my case, I'm going to select this item, and then I'm going to select an element, which is the shape elements. Now with your object selected, go to the right-hand sidebar and look for the export section at the bottom of the design panel. And then click on the plus icon to add an export settings. Now Figma supports several export formats including PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. As you can see right here, we have the options. So choose the format that best suits your needs, and you can also adjust the export settings such as resolution and scaling. So just go right here at the bottom right, and you can change here the resolution and scaling. Now you can also export the same objects in multiple formats at once. What you can do, click on the plus icon again to add another export settings. For example, you can export an icon as both PNG and SVG simultaneously. Now to export an entire frame, select the frame and add export settings just like you would for individual objects. For example here, go back to the export option, click on the plus icon. So this is useful for exporting full designs or screens for presentations or development. Figma also offers advanced export options. For example, you can export images with a transparent background by selecting PNG and checking the transparent background box. You can also add a background color to your exports if needed. Now when exporting assets for development, formats like SVG and PDF are often preferred due to their scalability. Ensure that your vectors and icons are exported in these formats to maintain quality across different screen sizes. So select the SVG or PDF. Now, proper organization and naming conventions are crucial when exporting multiple assets. Make sure to rename your layers and groups logically so your exported files are easy to identify and manage. Now Figma also allows for batch exporting, which can save you time when dealing with multiple assets. What we can do here is select all the objects or frames you want to export. Add export settings to each. So go to the export options once you select all the objects. And then here you can, as I've said, you can basically add export settings to each and click export to export them all at once. And it will be downloaded in a zip file. And that's it. You've learned how to export designs from Figma efficiently. Whether exporting for web, print, or development, these tips will help you get the job done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.